Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. Learn how to install network adapter driver on Windows 11. It will be a very easy process. Please make sure you watch the whole tutorial and you will be able to do it. So do a right click in the start icon and then go to device manager. And here in device manager, we need to look for the network adapters. So if it's a Wi-Fi driver, you need to look what exactly you are using. So in my case, I'm using Intel R wireless AC 9560 160 megahertz. So you can simply take the name, and if it's a freshly installed Windows 11, then you must not have the driver in your computer. So in that case, you need to download the driver from another computer or from mobile phone and paste it to your desktop. And then we just need to, wherever you will see the question mark here in the network adapter, you just need to do a right. Either you can just double click and install the network adapter, or you can simply come here and wherever you see the exclamation mark or the question mark on the wireless adapter, then do a right click, click on update driver and browse my computer for drivers, and then again click on browse and then go to desktop and look for the driver and just click on OK and next, and you will be able to install it. All right. The next thing is you were already using the driver in the computer and it is not a freshly installed Windows 11. In that case, you have the driver in your computer, but you have not installed it. So in that case, you just need to do a right click in your wireless adapter, go to update driver, and then click on browse my computer for drivers, and then select let me pick from the list of available drivers, and you can see all the versions of Wi-Fi drivers. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 drivers, and out of these one will definitely work for me, or most probably all will work. So you can try one by one, try with the second one, then third one, then the fourth one, like this. All right, just select it, click on next, and you will be able to install the wireless adapter, the network driver adapter in your computer. All right, so this is how you can install the network adapter. You can reinstall the network adapter, and you can say you can roll back to the previous version of driver, and you can do so many things just from the things which I have shown you. The process will remain same, update driver and then browse my computer. You can also try update driver and search automatically for the drivers. So if there is an update, you can update that as well. So Windows will automatically update the the wireless adapter for you. All right. So, and when it will say, do you want to restart your computer now? You just need to say yes, and you will be able to use your internet again in your computer. If this tutorial has helped you, if you think that this was helpful for you, please hit the like and subscribe, and do let me know in the comment section that which step was helpful and which step worked for you. I'll be glad if you do so. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day. Take care.